This is one of the latest products we've had land here at Hydrogarden, and that is the Plantit flexible tanks. This one here is 250 litres, but we do them in a variety of sizes, including 60 litre, 100 litre, 500 litre and 780 litres. Very convenient tanks because they'll collapse down and fit in a discrete box such as this one here. Very handy if you've got a small space you need to get a tank into. They come with a few features, so we've got a level indicator down the side so you can always tell how much nutrient you've got in your tank. You've got a drain tap which has got a 3/4 inch fitting on the front of it, so you can just connect a tub outlet to the front. We've also got an overflow pipe on the back, and that's got a 25mm fitting. You can also feed a 13mm hose through that so you can top your tank up. And then we've also got a circular mesh section at the top so that can catch rainwater. The mesh is there so it can stop any leaves or anything like that getting inside the tank. There you go.